Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn logical operators which are going to be using for logical understanding and logical conditionals to be satisfied in programming. So how we can compare and how logically we are going to get in a requirement of the solution for the problem statement we are going to discussing here. Now let's simply, you may see here, so the logical operators mainly we are going to be calling, see, logical two end symbols without space, two pipe symbols for logical OR, and also we can write AND or OR also. Yes, I'll show you here. AND also we can write instead of these symbols, and OR instead of, we can also use this OR. And one more thing, not, logical not, it's nothing but exclamatory mark, or also we can write like a NOT, not. So either end symbols or English these characters also you can write to apply these particular operators in C++ programming. So let's begin to start how we are going to comparing, and when it is required to compare multiple conditions. Earlier lecture we have seen one condition to comparing of two variables. If multiple conditions are there to compare, then the logical operators are going to be into the picture. Now let's begin. So taking like an integer of x of some value of something, I would like to take like a 8, and integer some y value which is going to be like a lesser value to this 8. Yes, two variables. The comparing of a C out, the same statement, which is a very convenient and easy to understand. Now one condition is x we put greater than y. So the condition is true. One thing is over, and what is the new here? We are taking end of result set. It is true means it is going to be printing something else, and we are completed our things. And if I want to compare see, x is less than or y or not, is it true or not, I want to compare this condition as well. So how it is possible? So I want to let's see, x greater than something some putting x greater than 3, and some y only x, or else you can put x or you can put y, don't confuse it, and only x is lesser than some 10. So two conditions I want to check with the different variables. When I am required to put some and symbols, logical and, it's and is nothing but logical and. So using between these two conditions, x I am comparing with the 3 and x I am comparing with the 10, and x is greater than 3 means it is true. You may observe it is true. And one more condition I am going to comparing, x is less than 10. So either both conditions are true. If both conditions are true, what would be the output? Whole statement is going to be true. It's nothing but TT, TF, TF, TT. These are the conditions which you are max. So logical AND operator, when you are getting either this first condition and second condition, if you are added more, yes, if you are adding more means you take a space and put and write more statements. Yes, when all the conditions are true, the whole statement is going to be true in logical AND. It's very, very important to make a note of it. Just run this. The whole statement, if it is true, what the output we will get? See, 1 we are getting as a whole statement is true. Let's see if I put something else making 7. So this is the statement, condition is true and this condition is false. What happens? Whole statement is going to be false. Let's see now. So the 0 is nothing but it's a false statement. So strongly remember, I hope the logical and either conditions, how many conditions are passed to verifying in a scenario. If all the conditions are true, then only the whole statement is true. Otherwise, it will be false. So strongly remember to understand, this is the logical and like returns if both statements are true. All right. Now the second one we would like to see like OR operator. What is the OR operator? Instead of using this particular, so I'll write one more statement here for OR operator. Yes, see out. Yes. So now here we can write for specifically for OR. Now what is the value? X is like a same statement also we can write. Yes, ampersand, instead of ampersand we need to use either or we can put two pipe symbols. Okay, X is less than 7. Yeah. Okay, now you can put like a end line statement. Yes, now see, this is the OR operator statement. So see out, yeah, one string statement to better understanding I'm sending here. This is OR operator statement. Okay, yeah, terminate. So whatever the you can decide to give in a statement in output, you just specify very simply. You can put like simple statements you will get in output. Okay, so run this. Yeah, this is the operator of the statement and we require the subspace. One we are getting, so it is true. So why it is true? Like some take a space. Yes, we will get. Why it is true? This condition is true, showing true. OR operator will reply and will compare if any one of the condition is true. Any one of the condition is true, the whole total statement is going to be true. So here strongly remember, if both are false, then only it will be false. If both are false, then only it will be false. In AND condition, if both are true, then only true. If anyone is false, it will be false forever. Alright, this is a logical OR operator statement. And what about AND operator? So let's like a NOT operator. I'm sorry. So NOT operator statement. Like I'll take a copy of this AND where we are getting like a true. Yes. Yes. So like one more, this statement also I'm going to take in here for NOT operator. This is NOT operator statement. Let's check. First I'm comparing with the NOT operator with the AND condition only. This is the NOT operator is also true. Let's see when I am applying NOT operator, how simply I am applying. I'm taking one more parenthesis at starting and ending, and here at the starting position I'm adding NOT. That's it. That's it. So ultimately the AND statement is true. When I am applying NOT means it's the opposite. That's it. If I run this, you will get 0 as value, means opposite. Whenever you are applying like take a parenthesis, add symbol of NOT or like whatever, like the statement, whole statement is there. If you want to make it negation, like a negative, which is the positive result you are getting, you want to make it negative, you just put simply NOT operator. That's it. A positive operator with the result is reverse to the result set of existing of either OR operator or AND operator. You may get negation of the value in using NOT operator. So in real-time scenarios, many of there to get negation of the value what you want to use in real-time scenario. I hope it's super easy lectures. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.